Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Adi's Experiment. In today's video, I will be talking to you guys about something that you may or may not know. Grapes actually catch on fire if you cut them in a certain way and put them in a microwave. Amazing, right? Or should I say dangerous? So why does this happen and how? I would have taken a video of this and shown it to you guys, but this is actually extremely exothermic, guys, and it can cause permanent damage to your microwaves, which is sadly why I have not taken a video of it. It is a crowd pleaser as long as you avoid melting your kitchen appliances. But as it turns out, even after millions of YouTubers and probably tens of thousands of scorched microwaves have demonstrated this, no one knew exactly why the fireball forms. Popular online explanations usually say that the grape halves act like an antenna and they somehow direct microwaves onto the small bridge of skin to ignite the initial spark. But nobody had actually done the math to prove it. After several years of microwaving grape shaped objects and simulating the microwave of those objects, a group of physicists in Canada may have finally figured it out. The fireball is merely a beautiful hot blob of loose electrons and ions known as plasma. The most interesting science is contained in the steps leading up to the plasma, not the actual fireball itself. So, the real question is how the grape got hot enough to produce the plasma in the first place. These are the conclusions. The grape is less like an antenna and more like a trombone, though for microwaves instead of sound. When you play a trombone, you push vibrating air into it. The trombone will only sustain the vibrations of a particular wavelength. That is, the musical note you hear depending on where you positioned the slide. The grape, incidentally, is the perfect size for amplifying the microwaves your kitchen machine radiates. The appliance pushes microwaves into the two grape halves where the waves bounce around and add constructively to focus the energy to a spot on the skin. Both grape halves happen to focus the energy to the same tiny point. That intense energy excites the atoms and molecules at that spot, heating them up so much that they can no longer hold on to their electrons, which turns them into plasma, and boom, the grape turns into a fireball. Well guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a like down below, hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a video. Bye guys.